Yasmin, creative designer here at Sizzix. So today I'm going to show you how to make a really nice paper craft plant which you can either have in your office space or at home in your living space. So here's how I made it. First of all, I want to cut out all my green elements that I'm going to use for my plant. So I've chosen to use the Bouquet Foliage and the Wild Hedgerow dyes, which I think is going to look really nice. So I'm just going to put my plates down. And then layer up both of my cards. You will need a lot of these elements, so make sure you've got enough. Creating my 3D foliage, I just want my 2 pieces and some wire. And with one of my pieces, I'm just going to get the wire and then carefully bend so that it's going to fit perfectly on here. And then using my Sizzix glue gun, I'm just going to add some glue, not a lot, just a tiny amount. And then press down my wire. And then using some spray mount, I'm going to spray this piece and then place it on top. Okay, so now that I've done that, I just want to get the small leaves and then fold. This will give it a really nice 3D effect, and I want to do this for each one. So just pinch in like so. So you want to do this effect for each one. It'll look really nice when it's all bunched together. These will be all the elements that you need. So taking a plant pot, this is just a normal plant pot you can get anywhere really. It was brown, I've painted it white, and then I've done a really nice pink bottom which is on trend at the moment. And then this is some foam that I'm going to put the wire inside of, so just glue gun in at the bottom. I'm going to pop inside of my plant pot, and I've cut this to size to make sure it fits. Then with all my foliage that I've created, I'm just going to pop in and really fill it out. Now I'm just putting these in all different directions. I've also chosen to use different shades of green as I think it looks really nice instead of using just one colour. And I have trimmed these down so they're at different lengths, so when I put them in, it won't all just be the same height. And there you have it, your paper craft plant. So I hope you really enjoyed this video, and don't forget to visit our website, which is sizzix.co.uk, where you'll find more videos and inspiration just like this.